Hey guys, Jack here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. This is going to be a quick and simple video showing how to set up the new Google Pixel 7. So if you've gone ahead and unboxed your phone, you can go ahead and head to the right hand side of the device. Just go ahead and press and hold the top button there to power it on for a few seconds, and you'll be greeted by the welcome screen, which has a rather cool animation where it bounces and vibrates the phone. So we'll go ahead and hit continue. This point you can go ahead and install a SIM card if you want. You can do it later, but you just install it in the left slot there, or you can go ahead and set up your eSIM by clicking there. But we'll go ahead and skip this, and next you want to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi so you can download and connect to Google services. So we'll go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi now, and there we go. So it's all connected to the Wi-Fi and it's just getting the phone ready, so we'll give it a few seconds to do that. Okay, so now it's all ready. Now we have the option to copy apps and data across from our old phone. So you can see there, transfer apps, photos, contacts, your Google account and more. So if you have an old phone and you want to do that, you can press start. Otherwise, we'll hit do not copy. So we'll hit that. And again, we'll give it a few seconds. Next up, you can go ahead and sign into a Google account. So you can either go ahead and put in your email address and sign in, or you can create an account down here, or if you want you can go ahead and skip, but because this is a Google phone we'll go ahead and enter it in. So now that we're all signed in, it's just getting our details. Give it a second, and there we go, it's popped up giving us some options. So we can go ahead and leave location services switched on. Then it has some more options about device scanning, things like that, sending diagnostics, so you can turn that off if you want, and then go ahead and hit next. Now you have the option to back up your device using Google One. So if you have storage that you want to use, you do get 15 gigabytes free with your account, but we're going to head and say no to that. Then you want to go ahead and select your country for the limited warranty, so it just gives you some details, and we'll scroll down to the United Kingdom in my case, and go ahead and hit close and hit OK. Now we have the option to set up a PIN, so we'll just go ahead, enter in a very complex one of 4 ones and hit continue. Then we have the option to set up the fingerprint scanner, which is located under the display, so just scroll down to the bottom and we can hit next, and all you need to do is go ahead and hit next again, and then rest your thumb or finger on the fingerprint scanner in the center there, and you just need to repeatedly do this, and it will tell you to change your position slightly so that it can read all of your thumb or finger, and then it will tell you to get the tip and the edges of your finger so that it can always read it. So we'll just give it a few more seconds, and any second now it will be done. You now have the option to add another finger or thumb if you want, but in my case we're going to head and hit next. You also have the option to set up face unlock, which just uses the front facing camera in the center there. So this isn't something like Face ID, which uses a 3D map of your face. It's just simply using the camera, so it's not as secure, but if you want to set it up you can do that there. Now we have a few more options for setup, so you can either leave this and get a reminder later on, but we'll go ahead and hit continue. Give it a few seconds and we'll be greeted by the Google Assistant. So you can use the command word to wake up the device and start talking to it, so we'll hit agree for that. Then you have voice match, so again it will understand who's talking and be able to respond, so we'll agree to that. And you can allow access to your phone without unlocking the device, so again we'll allow that. Then it has some more things to set up if you want, so if you want to be able to get instant translations or identify music, you can go ahead and set up these various things, but in our case we're going to hit no thanks and continue, so we'll hit that. Then you have the option to get tips and tricks sent to your email address, but I'll hit no because I don't want to get spammed with lots of emails, and we'll just give it a few more seconds to set up the phone. And now it's just teaching us how to use the swipe navigation. So if we say try it out now, swipe up to go home, and then to go back you just swipe from either side of the device, and then to go into the multitasking app switcher you just pull up and hold, and that's how you set up the Google Pixel 7 and you can swipe up and you'll be presented to the lock screen, which you can see has a rather cool wallpaper. If we go ahead and pull down, you can see it's just finishing up the setup, and you have the option there to finish up any extra bits. If we head into settings, you can see there battery life is already at 62% out of the box, and we can go into system and head into system software updates just to check, because normally there is an update when you unbox something and you can see it is downloading already. But that is how you set up the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. If you guys do have any questions or problems, post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, do please hit that like button. It really helps out the video and the channel. And make sure you get subscribed over there on the left. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.